Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of WhatsApp Share for Shopware 5. With the help of this plugin, the customers via the Shopware website can easily share the product with their family and friends. They can share the details of the product that includes the product image, URL and the description of the product. On the Shopware storefront, the customers will see a WhatsApp icon on the products at the home page, category page, product page, and on the top seller and the last seen widgets. And clicking that will allow them to share the details of the product via WhatsApp with their family and friends. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of the WhatsApp share for Shopware 5 at the customer's end, and I'll be showing you how the customers would be able to see the WhatsApp share icon on the home page, category page, product details page, top seller section, last seen product section there. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So I'll also be showing you the backend configuration settings for the WhatsApp share for Shopware 5 in the admin backend panel as well. So right now you can see that I'm on one of the categories, that's the clothing categories, and here we are having the top seller widget, as you can see. And here as well we have the different products, and on the top right hand corner of each product we have the WhatsApp share icon, as you can see, right? Apart from that, the products within the clothing category, as you can see, each of the products is having the WhatsApp share icon on the top right hand corner for sharing the product with the family and friends there. Apart from that, we also have the last seen product or last web product, and on the last web products as well we have the WhatsApp share icon provided there for the customers so that they can share the products from each of the particular sections there. Now if we go to the product page, for example, we have the main product with properties here, and here as well on the top right hand corner you will find the WhatsApp share icon that will allow you to share the particular product with your family and friends there. So that's how this particular WhatsApp share icon appears on the storefront, on the category page, on the category page, on the products within the category on the top right hand corner, on the widgets of the top seller, as you can see here, on the last web product, on the home page as well. If we go to the home page of the website, there as well, if there are any products being listed, all of those products would be having the WhatsApp share icon, as you can see. So here we are having two products, main product and main product email notification. So both of the products are having the WhatsApp share icon, as you can see. So that's how the WhatsApp share icon appears at the home page, category product page, product details page, top seller section and the last seen product. On the product page as well, if you see, if I scroll down here, we have the last seen or the last web product, and that is also having the WhatsApp share icon. Now how to share the product with your friends and family? For that, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the share icon, and another window would open up like this, and after that you'll see a particular section like this. So you want to use the WhatsApp on your computer, what you need to do is you need to log into the WhatsApp web to share the particular product link with your family and friends. For that, you need to open your mobile device, open the WhatsApp, and using the WhatsApp you need to navigate to the settings and select WhatsApp web, and then you need to point your screen or you need to point your phone to the screen to capture this particular code that you can see on your screens, and you will be automatically logged into WhatsApp. And after you're logged into the WhatsApp, then you can share with your family and friends, whichever ones with the ones with whom you want to share this particular product. You can select them up and you can tap on the send button to send the particular message to them as per the requirement there, right? So that's how, with the help of this plugin, the customers via the Shopware website can easily share the products with the family and friends. They can share the details of the product that include the product image, URL and the description of the product. And on the Shopware storefront, the customers will see a WhatsApp icon on the product at the home page, category page, product page, and on the top seller and last seen widgets. And clicking that will allow them to share the details of the product via the WhatsApp with their family and friends. Now let's hop onto the admin backend panel and let's see how the admin would be able to initially configure this particular plugin. So for that, I'll be logging into the Shopware 5 backend by entering the username, password, and tapping on the login button. After we have successfully logged into the admin backend panel, what we need to do is we need to go to the section that's the configuration section. Then we have to go to plugin manager. Here we have to go to installed, and here you'll find the Webkul WhatsApp share plugin being installed there, and here you have to tap on the open button. This will bring up this particular pop-up. Here we will find the configuration settings, and here you can see the button display area where exactly you want to display the WhatsApp share button icon there. So you can share it on home page, category product page, details product page, top seller product, last seen product. So from the drop down you can select from any one of them. For example, if you want to remove the last seen product, you can remove it. You can remove by tapping on them. And to add the home page, category product page, product details page, top seller product, last seen product. So you can select these sections so that the WhatsApp share icon gets visible on these pages for the products there. And then you need to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings. So yes, that was much about the particular plugin, that's the WhatsApp share for Shopware 5, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, sessions, or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uedes.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.